Hey, Elvis original.
Yes sir.
Karibu sana kwenye 10
Asante sana.
Uko salama?
Niko salama.
Uko fresh?
Niko fresh.
Naona umepiga tu look moroma weekend, my young, just relaxing here.
You know.
Kabisa. Elvis, tuambie yani, of course, watu wamekuwa wakiuliza hii nyaronage.
Yes.
Tunasikia, of course, wale watu wana watch Ramogi, this is not news, You know what Onagi is. But to explain what is nyaronage. Ukisema nyaronage.
Nyaronage kwangu nikisema kwa lugha ya Kijaluo inamaanisha ni kama I'm trying to define an African woman but from the lakeside.
Yes.
So nyaronage means a woman from the lakeside. Yes.
No, na sasa ukisema nyaronage iti mango gihera.
Nyaronage itieka gihera inamaanisha mtoto wa lakeside unanimaliza na mapenzi.
Unasikia hiyo yawa? Munasikia hiyo kweli? Sema wadebe. Itieka gihera.
Inyosa gihera.
Iwi nyoja duong trebo mija.
Yes.
All right, so in this song, nini ili-inspire song? Nani haswa? Kuna huyo nyaronagi uliona pahali, ako kwako, ako kwa mwengine. Unajua siku hizi hii Nairobi ulimuona kwako, ulimuona kwa mwengine.
First of all, na mini music is art.
Right.
And so as music is art, most of my time when I create music, I create music kulingana na what I see, the things that I see. So most of the time, and we have to agree, an African woman is a beautiful woman, don't they?
Yes.
So nyaronagi, basically, I was just trying to elaborate that creation of a Luo woman. Yes. So hiyo song peke yake nimetengeneza all of 2021, wow. The whole of last year.
Yes.
So nilikuwa natengeneza na bomoa, nijenge, nisikie, nibomoe, until it came to its perfection. Yes.
And it's a beautiful thing because I remember when we were doing the competition, it was one of the things that what were scared to even. And this is the thing I think about music is that it's universal. People did not have to necessarily understand what you're saying.
Sure.
But walikupika wakasema huyu hii song ni kali. How did that make you feel? You know that hata wenye si Luos per se walisikia wakasema I don't know what he's saying, but he's saying something.
Vile umesema music is a universal language. I believe something that is good will always be good.
Right.
And no matter whether you are listening to the language or not, people listen to the vibe, the instrumental, the creation, the tone, everything in that music.
Right.
When it comes out richly, people will definitely fall in love with the music, whether they are listening for what you're saying or not. Yes.
All right. And so tell us then also just, about the video. Pole sana, hiyo ni watu wa Arsenal wanaanguka. Tell us a little bit about the video and how, it came to be.
Okay, the video, it was one of these fine evenings.
Yes.
So I was in studio and then I was just scrolling through my Facebook page. And then I saw your feed.
Thank you. That was me.
Yeah. So since I follow you, I saw the feed. And then there's a poster that you had posted concerning 22bet and Bazo Entertainment coming together to do something to support the youth.
Right.
So I saw that. You siku tu. That same time, I think from the clip ile nilieka.
It was actually, you were in a studio.
Yes, I was in a studio. So when
right.
I saw it, I just went straight to singing and then I submitted nikasahau. I forgot about it after 1 month. Now umepost 10 and I was among the shortlisted.
It was actually it was so amazing, just to see the song and just hata ukiimba ulikuwa tunasmile nikasema nyaronagi unaona karibu niimbe spicy. I'm a singist. Usinione hivyo. So it was songist. It's so amazing that you were able to win and everything like poa sana. So tell the people where they can go and watch this amazing video. Of course, we'll play it again, but you know, where can they go check out the video?
I go by the name Elvis Original. The one on the screen.
On the screen, pal.
Yes, Elvis Original. All my social media handles, from YouTube to Twitter to Instagram to Facebook, Elvis Original. Yes.
Waende pale
wasikie. Nyaronagi video is there.
Yes.
Actually, Nyaronagi had it was an album. So Nyaronagi was the first song on the album.
So there's much more to come.
Yes, there's actually all of them are out on all streaming platforms.
Okay.
Yeah, so it was a song #1 out of 12 songs on the album. Yes.
All right, man. A big shout out also to Director Dolls.
Director Dolls did a wonderful job on that video. Beautiful. I cannot siwezi kosa bila appreciate. You know, when someone gives you something good, you appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
So Director Dolls did a wonderful job on the video. Yes.
All right, we want to listen to it one more time. Now that at least munajua maana ya wimbo. Si sasa munajua unaimbiwa, munaambiwa vile nyinyi wa rembo unamaliza huu kijana na mapenzi. He's going to perform it one more time. Make sure you follow him, Elvis Original. Palevo Original kwa hapo na Original. So make sure you follow him, and Nyaronagi pia the album is out. So, tafadhali mfuate itakuwa tu ital tena. DJ, you ready for the thing?